Hello everyone, I'm Hussein, and in this video I'll explain how to use turtlesim football with goalkeeper. In previous video I explained how to use turtlesim without goalkeeper, and also I explained the codes. So if you didn't watch that video, I will put the link in the description and also the link of the Git. Then you can access the files as well. So as I mentioned, we have some Python files in the src folder. So this is the package. Uh, and in this video we mainly use prepare environment with goalkeeper and turtlesim football run with goalkeeper. So in this video I mainly explain the difference between with goalkeeper and without goalkeeper. You may guess that it has goalkeeper, but it's not the only difference. So I made some changes to make make this game it's a game that you can play, like it's not very hard, it's not very easy to play, so it's a little bit more challenging than without goalkeeper option. So the first one is prepare environment with goalkeeper. So as mentioned in the previous video, in this file, in this program, I just call a service several times to make the goal target. So the main difference between this file with goalkeeper and without goalkeeper is the location of the turtles. So I make the goal target a little bit bigger than without goalkeeper, because when I tested the program, I found that it would be very hard to score goals if the goal target is small. So that's it, and then turtles aim football run with goalkeeper. So it's a main program, and if you didn't watch the without goalkeeper, I highly suggest to watch that video as well, because I mainly explain what's the difference. So in this program, in addition to having input for the number of rounds that you want to play, we have another input as well, the game level. So you can play in an easy mode or hard mode. So and if you have a wrong input, then it would be an easy game. So after this, we have we create a goalkeeper. So in the create goalkeeper, we spawn a turtle as a goalkeeper, and then we set some speed for this goalkeeper. So the goalkeeper will move in a line in front of the goal target, and when it reached to one side of the goal target, then it moved backward. So it acts like a goalkeeper, but in with random moves. So so it changed its direction during the game. So this is the goalkeeper, and then these are the same as without goalkeeper. So So if I mentioned that, when the player reached near to the, near the reach near the ball, then ball moves in a direction. So the direction can be find that can be found with set angle, and then we need to subscribe the ball pose and the turtle one pose as a player, and we clear the pass, and and so as I mentioned, the main, we have two callback functions. So the main function that we are using for, for deciding if it is a goal or it is not a goal, or how the ball needs to move, is the, play post player callback. So the difference is that at this time we add, another option, which is, reaching to the goalkeeper. So this is the absolute value, that, the distance between the goalkeeper and the ball. So if, the goalkeeper touched the ball, then it would not be it would not count as a goal. And this is another difference between, with goalkeeper and without goalkeeper. The rest of the, the program is similar, the same actually, as the without goalkeeper. So it's like another version of this game. So let's run the game. So we need to, same as without goalkeeper, we have a launch file, which is turtlesim game with goalkeeper. So it launched the turtlesim node, and then prepare environment and turtlesim football run. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the screen. So you can see that, it's has a, it has a bigger goal target in comparison to, without goalkeeper. Maybe I can run the without goalkeeper as well, if, to think cannot do this because without rise an error, maybe because we have, the turtlesim right now. Yeah, it will close the one node and open another node, because we have the same name for the node in the launch file. So this is the, the goal target for the without, goalkeeper program. I just ask about, how many rounds you want to play. But in sorry, so yeah, so let me kill this, and then we can run maybe in this one. Okay. So we have, says that game level hard or easy. So I said for example, hard. How many? So you can see that the goalkeeper moves very fast in hard mode. So I want to play 2 rounds. So it says that the start of the game, and we need the keyboard. So we have, as I mentioned in the without goalkeeper video, we have a turtlesim telop key. So we run it separately. So ROS run, turtlesim football, turtlesim telop key. And just wait for having the key. Okay, so you can see that we can move the turtle, and for example we can move in this side and then stop again, rotate. You can do some other movements as well, and you can see that it's 0 goal in 1 attempt. It's very good that we can see that the goalkeeper actually saved the ball, so it's not a goal because the goalkeeper touched the ball. Okay, so it was actually a good example. It would not happen in normal. So this keyboard can provide this opportunity to move in a linear and also angular at the same time. So it's different from the turtlesim keyboard. It's mainly prepared for the turtlebot 3, but I changed it a little bit to use for the turtle sim. So it's now a goal. Okay, so then it says that 1 goal in 2 attempts. Okay, and it's end of the game. You scored 1 goal in 2 attempts. So I mentioned in that in the without goalkeeper video that you can touch the ball once. If you touch the ball again in 1 round, it won't change its direction. Okay, and yeah, so I explained all the difference between without goalkeeper and with goalkeeper program, and I hope that you enjoy this game.